Standard 9th, Unit 2, Civics. Already discussed the topic political system in India. Process of political system in India. There are the two type of election system: direct election, indirect election. Introduction of the and note of merits, demerits. Now discuss the topic political parties. What is the political parties? The political parties, the link between the government and the people. The political party is the link between government and the people. The political party and essential part of democracy. Essential part of democracy. The parties are linked between government and the people. Next, meaning of the political parties. Meaning of the political parties. A political party is an organized. A political party is an organized, formed by a group of people. There are the three components of the political parties. A leader, active member, and the followers. So next, discuss the topic types of party system. Types of a party system: single party system, dual or two party system, and another one multi-party system. Single party system. Only a ruling party in the country. For example, China and USSR. And next, two party system, bi-party system. All this it is on the same. One is a ruling party and another one it is on the opposition the party. For example, USA, UK. And next, multi-party system. Multi-party system, that means not one party, more than two or more parties in the country. That is multi-party system. For good example, India and Sri Lanka. And next, types of political party. National party, another one state party. National party, ruling party, another one opposition party, and national party, ruling party, another one opposition party. And next, now discuss the major national party. What is the national party? A party which is recognized is the state party. At least four state is recognized as a national party. So every party in the country, it is recognized by the election commission. Recognition by the election to register to the election commission. And another one in 2017. There are the seven recognized national parties. There is seven recognized national parties in 2017. And next, state parties. Most of the major parties of there are classified by the election commission as state parties. Let's now discuss the recognition to the parties. What is the recognition to the parties? It's a major important one. At least 4% of the votes for the member of the Lok Sabha, and another 2% votes, and 2% votes, the election of the member elected to the members of the Lok Sabha. And another one, at least recognize the 4 state recognized at least 4 recognized as the state party recognized as a state party is a 4 state. That is the recognition of the state party. Another one, functions of the political parties. Functions of the political party is a major one, contest an election and context an election. Another one, that's the conduct an election, and another one, the party form and run the government. Another one that the welfare of the people, that is a welfare of the people. And next, the parties shape the public opinion. The parties to create, another one, shape the public opinion. And next, role of the opposition party. It's a major one. For after the election, one is a ruling party and another one opposition party. That's the opposition party. It's a major role. Criticize the government. Criticize the government. That means the ruling party. Ruling party introduced a new plan and policy that opposition party criticized the government. That another one that elected the some categories of the cabinet ministers. And just one time it's the recall. And another one, it's the meaning of the political parties, and then the types of the party system: single party system, two party system, and another one, multi-party system, two political party, national party and state party, and another one, recognition of the parties, functions of the political party and role of the opposition party. Thank you.